Good morning and welcome to Mam Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna. And today, before we start, please click on those subscribe and like and share buttons and keep embracing getting older with my keto diet. We're back to my keto diet. So I'm having a fine time with the no carb thing as far as dinners and lunch and breakfast. I'm fine. I don't need pancakes. I don't need bread. But I am dying for dessert. And it doesn't even have to be a big dessert, just a little bite of chocolate or sweet at the end of dinner. And it doesn't even have to be breakfast and lunch, just dinner.
I'm that way at lunch. I want something sweet after lunch.
Right. So, and especially if I drink tea, I just need something sweet. Anyway. So, you know how we tried that mug?
Yes.
Keto mug cake?
Yes, I do.
Keto cake in a mug, and it was horrible.
It was really bad.
So this time we're going to try keto no bake peanut butter chocolate cookie. Again,
Should be
I've
interesting.
seen so many of these videos and they say that they're, what's wrong?
I'm cold. We live in California, right? Sunshine. And
Perfectly fine.
it's going to be about 90 today. But the house is right now about 60.
No, it isn't.
It's freezing.
It is not. It's like 78.
Your house is not 78.
Yes, it is. I'm going to go look. I'm going to go look. I'll
It's
be right
not
back.
78.
Yes, it is.
Last week it was so nice because we were in jeans and warm stuff. And now it's back to this 90 stuff. What is it, Anna?
It's 76.
This is not 76.
No, it's 66.
See?
I'm perfectly fine.
Is it because you just don't want to spend the money and heat your house up?
No, because if I put the heater on, then I get a headache. I can't take that air.
I'm not worth a headache?
No, nobody's worth a headache. And if I turn the heater on and then I open up the doors and windows so that I don't get that congested
Well, what's
air.
the point?
Exactly.
Okay.
So I just don't turn on.
All right, let's bake. Enough of this cold weather stuff.
Not to mention the fact that I'm sleepless and I'm perfectly fine. Anyway, okay. So we're going to make these cookies and please let these be a good cookie. So
We'll let you know for sure. So Skippy peanut butter.
You're not supposed to say brand.
Oh. Peanut butter.
Here, you put that in a bowl.
How do I do that?
Okay.
So
And
I need a
then,
knife, you know. Just scoop this in.
okay, whatever.
Otherwise it won't go in. So this is
Maybe we should
creamy.
put more.
Creamy peanut butter.
I forgot butter.
Wait, you don't have a recipe?
I do. It's in my head.
Oh, Lord. We know what's in that head. Okay, so here's some peanut butter. The thing, I always hate this. There's got to be a better way to do these things because you put stuff like peanut butter or anything like that in these cups, and then look how much is still in there. If we weren't on camera, I'd probably be taking my finger and taste testing. But I won't do that. So here we go. Got all the peanut butter I could possibly get out of this, you guys. I bet you could also use like chunky peanut butter maybe.
Yes, but I don't like chunky peanut butter.
I love chunky peanut butter. Ooh, I love it. So now we have to add regular butter.
Yes, but it has to be melted.
Oh my goodness. Somebody wasn't prepared. I'm not naming names. Okay, so you have about...
Darn it, Kathy forgot the butter.
Is this like a quarter cup?
That's a quarter cup.
Okay. And then how much butter?
2 tablespoons.
Okay.
So we're getting that. And then in the meantime, we need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And this is the same cocoa powder we use for the chocolate
Cocoa.
mug cake.
Cocoa.
Cocoa.
2 of these?
Mm-hmm.
2 like
2
solid?
tablespoons of that.
Okay, 1,
And then
2.
a quarter cup of coconut. But you know what? I'm not going to put much in there.
I don't mind.
Here. You know what? They say to use unsweetened, but this is what I have, and I think it's sweetened.
Oh, I would
Those
want,
little spoons.
I would want sweetened.
Well, it's supposed to be low carb.
I can't wait
So-
to taste this.
But it also is supposed to use stevia. I can't stand
Is that
stevia.
fake sugar stuff?
Yeah, or
I don't like
or
any
there's
fake.
one that's powdered, that's sorbitol or something.
No, that's the worst.
and that stuff isn't good for you.
If we ever do a medical show, I will explain to you why some of these things are really bad. We need to do a medical show.
Maybe it makes you cold.
Okay, your butter's done.
All right.
Okay, go get the butter. And so we have cocoa, peanut butter, coconut, and now butter that we're going to be stirring with this cute little. You know, I'm so smart.
This is from Greenland. That's spatula.
Wait, I just ordered. You know, you have the white little spoons baking, like for stirring cookies and things like that. But if you want to use it in a new pan like I have and not scratch your pans, but you don't want them to get stained like from spaghetti sauce or whatever, I bought some in red. And you can't discolor them. Why are you looking at me weird?
Okay, I must have missed that one.
Okay, so I'm going to stir this.
Oh yeah, but can you get the vanilla?
I love vanilla. You
I
cannot
do
have
too.
enough vanilla.
And this is the real thing. This is like so expensive
I know, but
nowadays.
Why get
Okay.
fake when you can have the real
I'm
thing?
gonna put in half a teaspoon.
Oh, I never
of
measure. I
vanilla.
just pour.
Right, and I
Okay,
poured
this
that
is
up.
very,
right runny.
it like needs flour.
No, so
Okay.
they suggest oatmeal. And if you don't like oatmeal,
Ooh,
they
oatmeal would be
suggest
good.
walnuts or pecans or whatever. So
Okay.
I had pecans.
Those are
And that's
big
what I
pieces.
like. I know, I like it like that.
Okay.
Really?
And this
Okay.
isn't a no bake, you're saying?
No bake. So now we take those
Yeah.
and we just put globs on the parchment paper.
Okay.
And then you put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes.
So globs like with a spoon. Because
Well,
that's too
why I had the
big.
ice cream thing.
Anna, this would be 2 globs.
Okay. All right. This is
Sorry. So I would do like a glob.
okay. But
Oh, you
can't the
guys.
glob be pretty?
Oh, jeez.
Like flatten it down.
Anna wants a pretty glob.
Flatten down the glob.
So you
Look, this is not going to look pretty.
you're in charge of making
You're
it look
just-
how you want.
You're just throwing it
That's
on.
how you glob. You don't glob and like form it. You can't form these things. And since they're not going to run, you could put more on here.
How small are these cookies? Put some more on this one.
Hold on.
See, look how many cookies we're getting out of this. That's not bad.
That's only 8 cookies. When you do regular
But
recipes,
you
you get
only
like,
eat one.
maybe, and if they're really good, you might have more than one.
Yeah.
Somebody put on one of our comments the other day,
All right.
I don't know if it was me or Jan they were referring to, they wrote, the one on the left, and that could have been me or Jan, and depending on what you're looking at, it could have been either one of us. Too silly.
Too silly?
Too silly. I'm like,
Too silly?
I'll take that compliment.
Too silly.
Yeah, too silly.
Don't you think we have enough for one more spoon?
No.
Okay, I'm going to try this.
Go ahead. Okay, I'm going to try
It's
it now.
delicious.
Really?
Oh my God.
Hold on. Hold
I
on.
found Nirvana.
Wait a minute.
This is delicious.
Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
Oh my
This
God.
tastes like those cups you made.
No, it's delicious. No, that was like cooked egg
This is
scrambled
like
egg.
so much cocoa dark.
Oh, this is delicious. The only thing I would have done is, had I not put it on the sheet before, I would probably put a little bit more coconut.
I would have
As a
put.
matter of fact-
I would have put some more. I put some oatmeal, some sugar
This is really good. I'm going to put a little bit of coconut in here.
on top. Just use your fingers. Why are you being so weird?
Because I don't want to stick my fingers in my jar.
No, but in there you can.
Da, 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 da. Da, da, da,
Enjoy, Anna.
These are delicious. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh, okay, we're going to stick these in the freezer for 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I want them in the freezer.
Why?
Or I think, because I don't want them to be frozen.
When I bake cookies,
Mm-hmm.
and I bake a lot, and I freeze them,
I'm
but
patting down the coconut.
You interrupted me.
Sorry, go ahead.
I like to eat them out of the freezer.
Really?
Yep. I love stuff.
But then it's like eating ice.
No, it's not at all. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, so we're gonna come back in 20 minutes,
Yeah.
and you can taste. I taste tested.
Oh my God. This is amazing. I'm so happy about this.
We are happy. You're happy.
As a matter of fact, is there another spoon? God, this is so good.
Okay. On that note, you guys, we will be back with these in 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, here we are back with cookies. Keto cookies.
No-bake keto cookies. They're peanut butter and chocolate and coconut and pecans. Oh my
And
God.
vanilla.
And vanilla.
And butter.
And
Did you
butter.
say butter?
Yeah, but what would you call them? I would call them no-bake
No
peanut
bake?
butter chocolate cookies.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to try them?
No, thank you.
Are you kidding?
No. I'm going to let you try them because you are the keto boss. Drum roll.
This is heaven. This is so good. Oh my
She
God.
found her happy place.
Oh my God. I'm so ecstatic. One little cookie. That's all I need. Just one little cookie after dinner. Except today I'm going to have one
For dinner
while we
after
were making them now and then
after
dinner.
lunch. All right.
Oh my God, Kathy.
I'm glad you found something to bring you joy and happiness. You show them? Show them
Look how pretty they look. Now, granted, I put the coconut
That's
on
a good
top.
idea. I'd probably
And
add
I
some
think it looks
M&Ms.
pretty. No, that defeats the whole purpose.
Yeah, but it'd be sweeter.
Okay, you say goodbye.
Oh, goodbye. Thank you so much for joining us. Please let us know if you have any recipes similar, these keto recipe things, no-bake stuff that are good. Remember our YouTube channel, Ma'am Talks, to subscribe, to comment. We love to hear comments. We love to have questions asked.
Click the share and like buttons. This is heaven.
Lots.
Enjoy this recipe. This is so good.
And don't forget our website, www.mamtalks.com.
Are my teeth black?
No.
Good.
And remember to keep embracing getting older with us.
Bye.
Bye.